Strengthening Faith 106. I had a thought which I wanted to share. When one observes the teachings of Islam and the life of others, they can clearly see that there are three ways people can use each blessing they have been granted by Allah, the Exalted, and the consequences of each choice. The first way is to use the blessings one has been granted in sinful ways. This will lead to a potential punishment in both worlds. In this world, their blessings will become a curse for them and a cause of their difficulties and misery. For example, the one who raises their child on the unlawful will find that their child becomes a source of misery and difficulty for them. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life.
The second way of using the blessings one has been granted is in ways which are considered vain by Islam. This involves using the blessings in ways which are not sinful, and nor do they result in a good deed. Behaving in this manner will be a great regret for people in the hereafter, especially when they observe the reward given to those who use their blessings correctly. In addition, using one's blessings in vain ways may well prevent the scales of Judgment Day tipping in their favor. Using the blessings one has been granted in vain ways also results in stress and anxiety in this world. For example, the one who uses their time in vain ways often encounters more stress, such as arguments, than those who avoid using their time in vain ways. Those who seek more wealth than they need to fulfill their responsibilities often stress more than those who only seek and utilize according to their needs. The final way a person can use the worldly blessings they have been granted is in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This is in fact showing gratitude to Him, and therefore leads to an increase in blessings. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, if you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor.
In addition, behaving in this manner is remembering Allah, the Exalted, and therefore leads to peace of mind and body. Chapter 13 Ar-Ra'd, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace.
The one who behaves in this manner has fulfilled the purpose of their creation, and will therefore lead a good, purposeful and meaningful life in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Finally, even when this person faces difficulties, they will be rightly guided to respond with patience and receive further blessings and reward. They will be like the patient under anesthesia, who does not feel the pain of treatment they are being administered. Meaning, they may face difficulties, but their heart will always be at peace. To conclude, these are the three ways and consequences one can use the blessings they have been granted. It does not take a scholar to conclude which way a person should act upon. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.